Hey everyone, in this video we will learn about how to convert an integer to a text value in Power BI. So we'll be using the Power Query editor for this. So, like you can see the data on my pane where we're essentially saying that we've got the region and we've got a postcode, and let's say I want to concatenate these two columns into one column, which is region and postcode. So sometimes, because there are two different data types, you'll get an error because one's a number and one's an integer. So I'll quickly show you what I mean. I click on transform data. So let's go back here. I was in the Power BI desktop, and then I clicked transform data and it opened the Power Query editor for me. So I'm in the Power Query editor, as you can see here. And now let's say I want to concatenate. So I go to add column and I say custom column, and then I say region, and then I will just add maybe and let's just add a hyphen, and then we'll just add the postcode, and that's it. So if I hit enter, it gives me an error. So if I click the error, it says we cannot apply to text and number, so we cannot concatenate text and number. And the way around that is that you have to convert the number to text. So the way for that is, let's open this gear icon again, and it shows us the code. So now I'll convert postcode into text. So for that, it's fairly simple. You use Number.ToText, and you wrap this around this as a function and pass postcode as an argument and hit OK. So the moment I do that, you can see that I've got a field which shows me the concatenation of region and postcode. So in this video, just to recap, we've learned how to convert an integer to a text value and the use case in which you could be needing this. So I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do like my channel and subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Let me know if you would like me to take any specific topics. Cheers, bye.